This video is about overproduction waste. You get overproduction waste anytime you do work before the following work is ready. So as an example, anytime a subcontractor jumps in before you're done with your work, it causes a lot of problems and the resulting waste continues indefinitely. For example, what if an airline pilot decided to go full throttle and arrive early at the airport? There are a lot of things aren't ready for them. The runway won't be ready. Even if they get ready, the gate won't be ready to accept them. There's probably another airplane in the gate. Too many airplanes on the airport will slow everybody down, making it difficult to get in and out. So the extra speed from even though he had good intentions to get there early, it didn't help the situation. It caused chaos, and that's overproduction. So in construction or any other type of work that we do, here's a few examples of what it causes. So, for example, let's say we're not done with the pad, but the general contractor wants to get a head start on footings or subplumbing. Lots of times the plumbing is sticking up above the ground and we're breaking pipe. It's harder to move because now the footings are on the way. It's harder to compact, so maybe we get settling trenches. All this other waste occurs because work was done out of sequence. Another example is trucks driving to catch up to other trucks. And then also we get 10 trucks on the job. The job's not capable of handling 10 trucks all at the same time. So these are all examples of overproduction waste. Storing materials on site early, that results in inventory waste as well, but we want to have them all there. But look at the site over there next to it. It's a nightmare and it's a mess, hard to work around, hard to get anything good done in any sort of efficient manner. Another example of overproduction waste is simultaneous work, or what's called trade stacking. Demands for more manpower is overproduction, where they want more and more people. You can see on this site, there's just equipment everywhere. You can't move when you're all stacking and trying to do too much in there. So trade stacking is often used as a way to make the superintendent feel better about the schedule. Crews working on top of one another without regard to flow creates unsafe conditions and significantly slowed production. Out of sequence work, there's a picture of a project where we had a general contractor. There was a basement in part of this, but he wanted to start on the top part before the basement. By going out of sequence and overproducing, doing something that should have been done second, but instead doing it first, caused a nightmare on this project and a lot of headache, and it was unsafe, defects galore, and lost production by everybody involved. Overproduction causes more problems than anything that we do, and it causes almost all of the other waste to occur.